another couple minutes added on to Dujuan Richard's legs, which is very important where his development is concerned at this present moment. Importantly, happy to see him on the field. Happy to see that he's back. Happy to see that he's now trying his best to make an impact. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, thoroughly appreciate your support. All right, let's touch it now. So we all know Dujuan Richards, who's actually in prime. I should say, is a prime example of what we want to see from some of our schoolboy footballers hitting the highest heights and going places. Actually, so back to what I was saying now. Dujuan Richards make another debut, actually back-to-back debut. Can you imagine? So he made a debut yesterday in the U18s versus Crystal Palace in the Youth FA Cup, where Chelsea won that game 2-1. Dujuan Richards came on in the 77th minute, got a bit of run out, pretty much interesting. Test his legs, test where he's at. Very important that he get those minutes at this present moment. Now another debut today, which he represent Chelsea U21 team versus West Ham, and I do believe that West Ham was a better team in all contexts. I think they won the game 2-0. Yeah, I still believe that West Ham was actually the better team overall. But unfortunately, you have to put the ball in the back of the net. For me personally, I started watching the game at halftime because when I checked the starting lineup, he was not in the starting 11. So I said, you know what? Maybe sometime after halftime, we'll see if he gets an opportunity. So I tuned in actually after halftime, and unfortunately, the substitution came way down in the 91st minute. He played roughly around 5 minutes, but in the 5 minutes he came on, made himself and put himself about, get himself on the ball, try to do something, try to get the ball across. I think he whipped the ball across for trying to find on a strikers, and another one he got goal with a thunderous strike off the left foot. But in the same aspect, you can see that fitness is very important where it's concerned. He's getting there. Day by day as things go proceed, I believe that he will get that fitness that is required to play at that particular level. Now, it's very important that we give him his support, understand what he's going through. It's not easy out there, even though I know a lot of when I'm watching the stream, a lot of the Reggae Boyz supporters were in the comment section saying, hey, Lego whisper, Lego, but definitely, his time will come. It's very important that we understand that his time will come. And this is not a race for the fastest. This is a long race. It's actually who's the fittest that will survive in these type of things. And it's very important that we understand that and don't rush the process. It is a process and it won't happen overnight. Things take time. So it's very important that we continue to give him the support, continue to uplift him, and share some words of positivity towards him. But definitely, we're happy to see that he's back. We're happy to see that he's getting some minutes now. Very elated that is happening. It's important that these minutes continue to proceed, and we'll see if he can reach up to him playing full halves or going into full 90 minutes of football. Very important that this trend continues. Well, hopefully he continues to put in the individual work. See, that's how it is. Because he hasn't played football in a long time. That's one of the main reasons why I want to see him being a part of the U20s. I know a lot of persons might disagree to that, but I think that playing football is very important. It doesn't matter how talented you are. It's very important that you are playing consistent football, because that's what keeps you fit. That is what keeps you sharp. It doesn't matter how hard you train. You could be in the hardest program training. Once you're not playing, you won't be much sharp, you won't be much fit, and training don't necessarily gives you much fitness. That's just how it is. The sports scientists would have proven that all of these technologies would have proven that just training alone does not give you or equates to much sharpness or much fitness. So I want him to be a part of the U20. Let him go out there, let him express himself, let him get back on the grass, let him get back some regular playing minutes so he can garner back a bit more confidence. But he's the type of player that really needs just a few minutes to make an impact. Just look at the game that he came on in yesterday in the U18s. Just look at the moment he came on. In just a short time span, he's running at defenders, getting the ball across the 18-yard box, trying to create something for his teammates. Even today, you can see that getting the ball across the box as well, running at defenders. So He's the type of player that just needs a few minutes just to make an impact, and that don't change. That does not change. He has that elite mentality, which is actually a very, very good criteria, or should I say characteristics of an elite player. But happy that he's back on the grass. Let's see if this continues. Boy, Chelsea, rough at Chelsea, bad. But hopefully, that's one of the reasons why me personally, the Strasbourg, if he had moved to Strasbourg, that is something that I would holistically accepted, because at that point in time, maybe see him playing some consistent game time against big grown men, which is what we want him all to see. We all want to see him doing. But that didn't work out. But nevertheless, he's back on the grass. That's the important thing. So keep on putting the work, Dujuan Richards. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button. For those who watches, tell us what you think about this cameo. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people. We are out. Boom.